Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export still images in CapCut PC. So as you guys can see here, I have a video with 12 seconds long durations, and let's say I want to screenshot or capture only a certain frame in this project. So here I need to export the still frame or still images, and this is how you do it on CapCut PC. So go to where you want to do the screenshot, for example in here, and after that, here on the player, you can see there will be three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Click on that, and there will be this export still frame option. So click on this button, and this is the still images that I want to export. Here you can select, you can write the name or choose the where the file will be exported, the export file path. You can also select the resolution, set the resolution. If you want to have a 4K, you can just click on 4K image quality, and you can also select the format between PNG and JPEG. So after that, you can just click on export, and the still images will be saved to your computer. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.